this week was a pretty good week. We fixed some of the things we had on the cabinets in the kitchen area. So now this cabinet is lined up with that one. We increased the depth of the peninsula. We also removed the board to the left of the fridge. And we're gonna start working, filling the gaps in the pantry boards. We also installed the glass that we just fabricated. We also have the closet in place. We're gonna start painting that probably the coming week. We also finished the trims, colors, and the crown molding in the bathroom, the cabinets here in the master bathroom. Also crown molding in the dining area, living room, and guest bedroom. And today we have a special guest. So we have Mike from the Fireplace. Mike, what's the name of your company?
It's All Texas Home Remodeling.
And tell us what you did.
Well, what we have here is a 125 years old cedar post, which is used to be used underneath the house as a post. The owner wanted us to do something original to the house, historical. This gorgeous mantle took about 12 hours of labor to process it the way it is. So what we have here, what you can see here, it's actually the original look of the wood that used to be underneath the house. We took it, we cut it, we built this mantle, then we process it inside the steamer machine. We sand it, we kept everything original. There is no color added. The only thing is added on it was the chemical. Well, another thing about the mantle is actually waterproof. All the texture that on it, it's original. We did not add any kind of any texture on it. And all the nails where the post used to be hang to the bottom of the house is there. We just fill it up with the same exact dust. What we did very much, we sand it, we used the same dust to fill up those holes. So we did not add any other new material. Whatever is on it, it's original. The value of this mantle, I will say something between $38 to $4,500. If it's in my shop, I will sell it for $4,500, no question asked.
And tell us, you found the age. Where did they buy it? You found where?
Oh yeah, I did actually track it. You know, it was barely there with the manufacturer, with the sanding, with the steam, it's gone. But it was bought in 1901 from a store, James and David in Jamaica Beach. I believe so. It was closed about 7 years ago. But yeah, this piece of art is
Perfect. Should we mount it? See how it looks?
Let's do it.
Wow, it looks amazing. And tell us a bit of the brickwork you did.
Oh yes, the brick. The brick has been painted with a few layers of paint. And our restoration process takes us from completely painted brick to original brick. Now whatever is in here, long time ago they did not have a colored grout. So they used to put a white cement, then burn it with fire to make that look. So we did exactly the same process. We used the fire to get the same exact look back. And here we go. We have original fireplace that was built in 1902.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
And you did a lot of sanding. You put fire also to remove some of the coating.
We did sanding to get the paint out. We used some non-toxic chemical to get it as much as we can to have the original look, and we did.
Yeah.
Finally.
Wow.
We're gonna go ahead and clean it and seal it, and you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, awesome. Well, this house has a lot of nice things, but I believe this is going to be the highlight of the house. Originally, this was going to be something nice to have, but that piece of lumber was originally the joists on that section. Now, because it was all flimsy, we have to put new joists, new plywood. So Mike was smart enough to use those beams and make them useful in a very artistic way. So I think Lance and Sandra will be very, very happy about it. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.